Welcome back to Vani Vision. Today we are going to learn about multiplication of 2-digit to 2-digit numbers without carry. That means small numbers we are going to take, 2-digit numbers only, small numbers we are going to take. There will be no carry in it. We are not going to consider any carry in that numbers, okay? We are not going to consider means the numbers are not going to get any carry in it, okay? Don't get confused. See, without carry we are going to learn first. Then we'll go for our carry problems, okay? See, shall we start our session? Like in the last videos, multiplication like 2-digit to 1-digit, 3-digit to 1-digit, 4-digit to 1-digit we have learned, right? By using the balancing method only we have learned. The same method we are going to use, but like slight little changes are there in this. So concentrate while doing this. See, before we start, we learn the easiest way. First, we'll see how we are going to multiply in a general way. How we learn, right? In that way, we'll multiply. Okay. Then, so my first example is 24 into 12. So, this one, we are going to see in our general multiplication. So, 24 into 12. 24 into 12. So, 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Into 1 4s are 4. 1 2s are 2. Plus 8, 8, 2. This is our answer. Now, we are going to see how easily we are going to add this. How easily we are going to multiply this. So, 24 into 12. Mention the places. So, to what I say, we should not get confused, right? If I say 2 should be multiplied with 1, 2, 2, we have to multiply 2 into 2, then 4 into 1, then 4 into 2. To get rid of all that confusion, I am taking a ones and tens places here over the number, okay? Ones, tens. So, whatever the tens place number is there, right? That should be multiplied with the tens place number, okay? Then separate, okay? Then tens with ones, plus, then ones with the tens, okay? 10 into tens, 10 into ones, plus 1 into 10 by 10 ones into ones. Okay, like this we are going to do it. Clear? So 10 into 10, 1 into 1. Now 10 into ones plus 1 into tens. You understood why we are going to add this. Clear? Then 2 into 1, 2 into 2 plus 4 into 1 by 4 into 2. Got it? Or else draw a mark. Arrows like this. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Plus 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Got it? 8, 8, 2. Which one is easy? This or this? Within fraction of seconds, we are going to find out our answer here. Right? You may feel like this is little complicated, but here I have written elaborately for you. That's the reason you are going to feel like that. The next example I'll give you, directly we are going to write. It will be quite easy for you, more easy. Okay, my next example is 13 into 12. So I'm not going to change anything. I'll just write places, tens and ones and tens. Okay, 1 into 1, 1. Separate. 1 into 2, 2. What did I say? We should add it. Right? 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 2, 6. So 6 as it is, 5, 1. Shall we check it? So 13 into 12. 6, 2, 3, 1, 6, 5, 1. So 156. So which one is easy? This or this? See, in simplification, while doing the simplification, like when we move on to our higher classes, at that time, if we do this method, it is little time consuming, right? At that time, we are supposed to use this method. We can easily find out the multiplication of 2-digit to 2-digit. Clear? I think so it is clear for you all. And we'll go for, I'm not going to stop here. Clear? I'll explain you more for example. Then the concept will be completely clear for you. Okay? Then my next example is my third example here. So my third example is 12 into 22. Okay, my third example is 12 into 22. See now, ones, tens, ones, tens. Like this you mark an arrows. Okay, then next like this you mark an arrows. Clear? Okay, then 1 2s are 2. Separate. 1 2s are 2. Then plus 2 2s are 4. Then 2 2s are 4. 4 as it is. 2 plus 4 6. 2. Our answer is 264. Now shall we check it? 12 into 22. That is 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Right? Then 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. So 4 6 2. So our answer is correct. So which method we are going to use? We are going to use this method. Yeah. And then my fourth example is 32 into 23. So what are the numbers? 32 into 23. Now, as usually, I am going to write the places first. Okay. See the steps, how I am doing the method. Okay. So ones, tens, ones, tens. So I'll then draw the arrows. This is first and this is second. Then draw the arrows like this. First, second. Okay. Then 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Plus 2 2s are 4. Separate. 2 3s are 6. Okay. Then 6. 9 plus 4. 13. 7. Okay. If we get a carry also, we are going to do it easily. Okay, only one carry is it quite easy here. If we get clumsy like here also carry, here also carry, here also carry, that we are going to learn in our next video, upcoming video. Okay, then see generally we are going to add this 6, 9, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, then 6, 13, 7. So 736. I think so it is clear for you all. And the next example is 42 into 11. So what I should do first? I should write places. Ones, tens, ones, tens. So arrows like this. And then see, different I am taking. So we should not get confused. So arrows are in different shape. One is semicircle, one is in rectangular shape. Okay. Now 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. Plus 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. See, 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. Plus 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. Now write this 2 as it is. 4 twos are 6. 4. Got it? Now shall we check this? 42 into 11. 2, 4. 2, 4. So 2, 6, 4. So our answer is 462. I think so. It is clear up to here. See, from our first example onwards, we are doing the same method, right? I'm not going to change anything. I didn't change anything here, right? Everything, the first, third example, same. Fourth example, same. Fifth example, same. Why I'm taking so many examples means, if you are unable to understand in the first example, then the second example may quite little clear for you. Then the third example, more clear. Then the fourth example will be the more clearest one. The fifth, completely you'll understand. Okay. Now, I'm giving you one problem for you all. A sixth one is 23 into 12. So, you have to solve this and you have to comment your answer in my comment box. I'll be waiting for your comment, and if you are having any queries or any doubts in this method, so you can ask me the questions in the comment box. So I'm ready to clear your doubts. Okay. So I think so it is very clear for you all, this multiplication of 2-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers without any carry we are doing. My next upcoming video will be on with carry only. So follow up with that also. Then the multiplication will be clear for you all. So stay tuned to Vani Vision.